Joe Edwards, the unofficial mayor of the Del Mar Loop, joins me in the studio in just a couple of minutes. First, some more music from the Bella and Lily Band.
Let's play a game, it won't be the same. You'll be the late and I'll play the lion. That way you won't get so defiant. I think that I could get you high. I'll never be that girl sitting home waiting all day by the telephone. That's right, I got you wrapped around my little finger. You are such a slave. Do you really think that you could get with me? You are such a slave. Do you really think that you could talk to me? You was in your windows, you just at the whistle. Makes me wanna go and grab a pistol. It's more of a diss than a compliment. You're a weirdo is what I meant. Now thinking that you'll hit this, but you'll never kiss. It's here for my temptation, you're quite the frustration. It's more of a diss than a compliment. You're a weirdo is what I meant. 'Cause you are such a sleaze. Do you really think that you could get with me?
This is McGraw Live on KPLR 11.2, STLtoday.com, and the Big 550 KTRS.
I'm not keeping quiet, not gonna die. Never keeping quiet, this one is a fire. I'll announce this on a microphone. If you ever try to get me alone, 'cause you